Come on, guys. Who's next? The hell? Kick it. There's a pail on its side out there. Come here, buddy. Come on. And the two babies were wrestling inside the bucket. Made all kinds of noise. Do you like blueberries? You do like blueberries. You're tearing it right up. Yeah, I got peanuts, but you loves that blueberry. Okay, so now I know chipmunks like blueberries. Here. Another one? Here. Here. There you go. Wow. Got a blueberry again. Here. Want a peanut? Peanuts and blueberries. All right, little boy. Wow, interesting. Now I know that they like blueberries. Yeah, they'll eat any fruit. They are omnivores, and I did not know that. And I come out one day, and the little boy was eating a frog. I mean, he devoured it. And I thought, holy crap. I was thinking maybe it's a horror movie, and Attack of the Killer Chipmunks or something, but turns out, from what I read, they're omnivores. And this is an interesting fact. They hate mice. Chipmunks hate mice. They will chase out or kill any mice that they have in their area. So they literally drive mice away. But it's one of their staples. Hey, Boomer. It's one of their. Do you wanna try this? Look. Now, Boomer likes peanuts. Bird seed and peanuts. But yeah, they actually kill mice, and this guy, wildlife expert, did a article on it, and given a small shed that'll have a family of field mice in it, one chipmunk will go in and kill them all and eat them. So for you guys that are worried about chipmunks and don't like mice, get yourself some chipmunks and get rid of the mice.